Hello, my wonderful, amazing artists. It's me, Miss Abby, your art teacher. And today we're getting inspired by owls. These amazing animals you can actually find in Boston. There is a nest of a mama owl and her baby owlets in the Arboretum and maybe in Franklin Park too, I don't know. Which I think is kind of cool and amazing. So, in inspiration of our own backyard wilderness, we're going to create owls today. And one of the reasons I think owls are special is because of their connection to Harriet Tubman. A lot of us know that Harriet Tubman helped enslaved people, enslaved black people, back a long time ago, escape to freedom by traveling through the woods. And one of the ways Harriet and her crew signaled to each other as they were escaping and traveling through the woods was by making owl sounds. Hoo-hoo, like that. And in order to travel through the woods, Harriet had to know about all of these animals, all of the plants, and how to travel through the wilderness without a phone, without electricity, without flashlights. And I think that's amazing. That's actually why this owl right here, I decided to name Harriet. So in celebration of all those amazing things about owls, today we're gonna draw some owls. Okay, for this project, I recommend starting your drawing with a pencil because you can erase. But I'm gonna use a marker so that it's easier to see on camera. And I'm gonna start with a black marker, and then I have like every color, every shade of light, dark, and medium brown imaginable. And I'm very excited to give this a try. There are lots of ways to draw owls. You can even cut one out using cardboard if you want. But they all have some things in common. So I usually start my owl drawing with a circular head and a round oval-shaped body. Remember, an oval is like a circle but squashed a little bit. And then I'm drawing this owl sitting on a branch. So I'm gonna draw the branch. So that's gonna help us figure out where this owl's tail is. And then I just draw some like wide lines for my owl's tail feathers. So, there we go. This owl, I'm gonna do some wings that are sort of a curvy triangle. So it's kind of like if you imagine a line, 1, 2, 3, made out of curvy lines. Next, we gotta add the claws. 1, 2, 3 toes. 1, 2, 3 toes. 3 triangles. And then 2 big eyes with little circle pupils and a triangle. So, one important detail about owls is we know they're birds like chickens and turkeys and blue jays. And that means they are covered in feathers. That means their texture is feathers. And that texture is different from, say, dinosaurs with their lumpy, bumpy, scaly skin. Or my possum friend right here who has fur. Feathers look a little different, right? That is texture. And when we're drawing, we're thinking about how to make texture using our art tools. So that's a challenge I want to give you today, is try using your tools, using your colors and your lines and your ability to layer color to make the owl look soft and feathery. Now, I'm going to add some color, some texture, some lines using my brown crayons and my markers all together to create a mixed media of this beautiful owl and her feathery texture. owls are nocturnal. That means that they are awake at night and sleep during the day. That's why they have those giant yellow eyes. Ta-da! Here's my owl drawing, and because my owl is nocturnal, I decided to add the stars. And I was thinking about Harriet Tubman traveling through the wilderness, and one of the ways that she could travel without, a GPS or a phone or anything was that she looked at the Big Dipper, which is this constellation that during certain times of the year you can actually look out and see those same stars that our owl friends in the woods can see, and Harriet Tubman used to help free members of her community and help a lot of people. So I think those are amazing things that I was inspired by today. And I also wanted to show you, I took a couple different strategies to create kind of a feathery texture for my owl. I use these short zigzaggy lines. I layered dark and light marker, and I used curvy, wavy lines like this to create a texture. And I think all of those things are very helpful in making my owl look nice and soft and fluffy. Now, I hope you guys give this a try, drawing an owl, or, I don't know, making a painting of an owl would be cool too. Whatever supplies you got, we can work with. Bye, have fun making art. I hope you give this a try, making an owl, whether you're drawing, collaging, or making a painting, or even drawing with sidewalk chalk. That would be cool too. Bye, have fun making art.